Hi guys, so today we will be sharing with you 3 new items from Hermes. I've had it a while now during this lockdown period and I thought it would be nice to share with you. So if you do love unboxing like this, then do please subscribe and click on that notification bell. So first up we have a twilly. So let's have a look at my twilly in detail. I love these leafy prints. I love how the green contrasts with the yellow there. And as I scroll down the twilly, you will find some interesting designs as well, which is why I picked up this twilly. So you can see the horses there, and further down you can also see the horseshoe prints. And I really like the bit of history on this twilly, which is so characteristic of Hermes. So there you go, and I thought I just want to add that to my bag, whatever the color bag I have. But so far I haven't found one to match it yet, so I'll just keep this twilly aside for now. Next up is surprise, and that is none other than my Carmen tri-colored tassel keyring. And I love how the bits of leather does, fan out like this. I like to use it like a brush. Just showing you the metal details here, and there should be an imprint of the Hermes Paris word up there. So I really love doing that, and you can see the tri-colored just from this angle. There you go, really beautiful. Now I'd like to show you something interesting, which is the Hermes Paris word right in the middle of the tassel. So you would just find one of the tassel with this embossed. Now the next unboxing, what do you think this could be? Surprise again, and this would be my single tour happy bracelet. There you go. So I've used it a couple of times now, so it's not really a true unboxing, but you can tell I've chosen the color red and orange leather straps on gold hardware. I really love this combination, red and orange, because it is so characteristic of Hermes. I'm not sure, what do you think? So now I'll just give it a try and wear it for you. I have really tiny wrists, so I rarely wear bangles or bracelets, but I feel this is so flexible for me. I've chosen it in the size XS, and I think it really fits my wrists. So this is how the orange would look like. Oops. Isn't it gorgeous? Now this single tour happy bracelet is also reversible, so I'd just like to show you how it will look on the red side. This is so versatile, and I guess it's really worth the money because you get 2 bracelets out of 1. There you go, that's how the red looks. It's kind of really simple and classy, but also luxurious.